Are you looking for the best yoga wheels? In this video we will look at some of the best yoga wheels on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. 3D Point Massage Yoga Roller. 3D Point Massage Yoga Roller Pilates Wheel Back Exercise Tool Weight Loss Magic Waist Fitness Accessories. Yoga and Pilates accessories. Adds stability, ease of movement and a new level of comfort with this multifunctional back wheel. You can use it to improve your posture, burn fat and strengthen the muscles. When you are done yoga, Pilates, or stretching, it will give you a full range of motion. Our yoga wheel is an excellent tool to help you burn fat and relieve back pain. It also provides a massage effect on the joints of the body, which will provide you with better support and comfort. This pattern is pretty. It works to crack back. I will use it often. Thanks. Our yoga wheel helps you to improve your posture, reduce back pain and protect the spine. It is also a good helper for weight loss during exercise. The yoga wheel is made of high-quality ABS material, which is durable and has a long service life. The yoga wheel is small and lightweight, which can be easily placed in a bag or backpack without taking up too much space. Yoga wheel can be used as a massage tool, and it can also be used as a fitness equipment for the elderly or children. Number 2. Yoga Wheel Bent Back Stretch Natural Cork Solid Fitness Wheel. Heavy-duty yoga relaxation made of flat-shaped yoga wheel improves posture and helps balance and flexibility during exercises. Thanks to the double-sided arch design, the non-slip wheel acts as a stable support for positions such as back bends and allows a pleasantly deep stretch and relief of the spine and back. The cork exterior provides an extra layer of support and is antimicrobial so it won't absorb nasty toxins and germs from the floor or sweaty yoga clothes. Cork is easy to clean and prevents odors. Due to the flat shape of the yoga wheel, beginners can easily learn difficult positions and avoid possible misexecuted movements. Advanced users can intensify training and redesign routine yoga practice. Thanks to the pleasantly firm resistance, the stretch band is ideal for yoga, strength training, Pilates, fitness workouts and supports muscle building on the stomach, arm, legs, shoulders, thighs. Number 3. 3D Massage Point Yoga. Adopt TPE Outer Ring Non-Slip Pattern to enhance safety in use, environmental protection, non-toxic, tasteless, and non-irritating to the skin. The interface fits tightly, is skin-friendly and smooth, and does not hurt the body when worn. The design perfectly fits the spine curve. It can stretch and soothe the back and even the whole body when used. High-quality PP material improves stability. Number 4. Yogo 526B Wheel Massage Roller. No other back roller can improve your posture or possibly help you live better with back pains than foam roller. The only back cracker made by a chiropractor, this yoga wheel works well on all areas of the back, from the neck down to the lower back. With its bump pattern and a gap in the center, you won't feel any pressure on your spine. A therapeutic and truly effective back cracker that can release knots and trigger points. Made of high-quality EVA foam and plastic inner core, our back roller is bigger and better than any other roller. At 11 inches tall and 7 inches wide, it can hold as much as 600 pounds. Whatever your body weight, this is the perfect back roller and stretching equipment for you. If you want a back massager that you can use to work out your entire body, this is the back wheel roller for you. The only one with 4 rows of bumps that target the muscles on both sides of the spine. More than just a back massager, it is also ideal for other body exercises. You can also work out your abs, chest, glutes, triceps, hips, thighs, and more. Everything you ever wanted in a yoga wheel, you can find in this ultimate back roller wheel. It is best for thoracic extension, allowing you to achieve good posture and may even help you avoid back pains. Using the roller as part of your fitness routine can help increase mobility and flexibility, working every part of your body. It's easy to use and travel friendly too. A great gift for beginners and fitness lovers. We make no bones about spine health, so our customers get only premium quality fitness products. If you are not completely satisfied with your purchase, we will be happy to assist you with after-sales issues. You can visit our website to contact our customer service and we will serve you. Number 5. ROEGADYN-Fitness Yoga Back Roller. REI is an international supplier from China. We have own factory on China and focus on offering various premium product. As long as you need the product, you can buy it in our shop. We can offer very low wholesale prices and premium products. If you need to buy a large number of our products, you can contact us first. We will provide you with quality prices and quality transportation services. Over the years, our company with high quality products, first-class service, low price, make our products all over the world countries. By the broad masses of old and new customer support, our company will be more efforts and enterprising, with more high quality and efficient service to the masses of customers. Customer is God. Customer satisfaction is our eternal pursuit. At present, our company's trade scale is expanding day by day. Customers all over the world, with a good reputation to get the trust of domestic and foreign customers. To promote the modernization of our country, promote the economic and technological exchanges with the world, enhance the friendship with the people of the world has done a lot of positive work. Our company uphold the customer is God motto. In order to make customers more satisfied, we have adopted strict management system, treat each product every piece of goods. We are very serious, to ensure that every link can be linked together, so that the goods safety to the client's hands. And we will constantly update the products in our store, continuously provide high quality products, so that you can always walk in the forefront of the times when choosing products in our store. You can always buy the latest, most fashionable and user-friendly products in our stores.